will talk about how can you disable my watch list on your Wa- Wayfair app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here. So when you click here on account, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down, click here on updates here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list and you come here to my watch list. Then you click in this sign here or this color, and like you see here color, it's gone. That's my watch list, it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Forget to support us by like and subscribe.